Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome EDC knife from CRKT. This is the ABC. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CRKT for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Once again, the name of this knife is called All Bases Covered ABC. Let's start off with a quick size reference just so you get a better understanding of how big this knife is. Let's put them side by side like this. Again, just comparing the size of the overall width going this way to a permanent marker. Let's stack these two on top of each other here. All right, there is a good perspective there. Let's get the ruler in here and we'll go from edge to edge, coming in closed right around, I'd say, 4.5 inches. And let's bring the ruler out again. Yeah, looks like width-wise about 1 inch and 9/16. Here it is with the blade open. Let's go side by side vertically so you can compare the size of the handle next to the permanent marker. All right, let's get the ruler in here to measure the overall length opened, coming in from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle, just about 8 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife, just to give you an idea of the thickness here. It's a pair of chopsticks. There's a thicker side, there's a thinner side, and it looks like it's going to be just in line with the thicker side of a pair of chopsticks. Well, let's get the ABC on the scale. Overall weight coming in at just about 3.8 ounces. And just to give you an idea for how heavy 3.8 ounces feels like, well, a deck of cards, fully loaded, weighs just about 3.4 ounces. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area. All right, we can see that it starts off pretty thick and thins down really quickly as it gets down toward the point here. So here's a nickel. It's definitely going to be thicker than that. And then it evens out to about the thickness of a nickel right about there. The original ABC knife was a fixed blade, but this, of course, is a folding version. The opening mechanism is an assisted spring operating system that operates by releasing all that tension by pulling down on this lever. Fast and smooth. We could do this all day. One-handed operation, real easy. Locking mechanism is a liner lock, as we can see right here. That arm swings open and locks to the base of the tang. Very easy to close. You can do that all day. So fast, so smooth. Let's have a look up front at the blade. Beautiful black coating. Now they're calling this a drop point because it does drop to this point here, but then it kind of turns into a tanto. Right, that edge is on both sides. We got these beautiful Zeph serrations, how they're leaning forward like this. And that's why all your bases are covered, right? You have serrations and a straight edge. Beautiful looking blade. Up front, we have a Swedish stainless steel 12C27. For those of you familiar with Mora knives, they use the same type of steel, and you know how tough those knives are. 13% chromium along with this black finish is going to give you really good corrosion resistance. And when this steel is heat treated correctly, like CRKT knows how to do, you're going to get good toughness, really good wear resistance. It's going to be easy to sharpen and have decent edge retention. Let's have a closer look at these G10 scales. Look at the polishing on the edges here, all the way around. All right, here's a look at the texturing. Definitely not too aggressive, but still going to be grippy for you. G10 performs very well in various weather conditions. Love this blue ring accent. It really sets off the knife. Let's pop it open. Right, we have jimping here on the top of the thumb ramp and on the bottom, this finger choil area. Right, in case you want to sneak up here and do more fine detailed knife work, you're going to get a lot better control up here. Or if you slide it back, these finger grooves will allow you to fit all 4 of your fingers down here. And a nice resting area for your thumb up here. And the polishing continues even in this area here where the finger grooves are at. All right, there's a closer look at the liner lock. Of course, it's going to be skeletonized. We have this pass-through design that's very similar to the M16, right? Check those out. But I think I like it with the G10. We got matching black hardware. Of course, these are T6 screws, so you can take this knife apart and service it yourself, clean it, and lubricate it. We have a matching black backspacer, right, all the way around there to your lanyard hole if you want to use it for that. There is your profile of your pocket clip. Not a lot there, right? Really tiny, pretty deep carry. Not reversible to the other side. And this is tip-up carry only. I want to show you guys the genius of these Zeph serrations. All right, not only are they wider, which makes it a lot easier to sharpen and hone, but they're slanted at a degree. So when you're pulling backwards, you get a lot of surface area and leverage. So let's turn this backwards so you can see it. And here's some paracord, right? And it's going to get trapped right like this. So as you're pulling, a lot easier to cut that. All right, let's cut some cardboard. Easily done. No problem. Once again, guys, this has been the all bases covered ABC knife from CRKT. If you're looking for a great EDC knife that opens up super quick and has different type of edges so you can handle any kind of cutting adventure that comes your way, this might be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.